All right, right now we're going to show you how to upload your database of clients, your customers. First, you're going to go to Upload List. You're going to click on Sample. This is just a template that you are going to use to upload your clients. It has 12 different columns, A through L. Really just a few columns that you really need. Obviously, first name, last name. Column D is for cell phones. Column G is for email. Birthday is column J. Your clients are probably located in your back-end office client page. Regardless, you're going to have your information. It might look something like this. It might be all over the place. There might be a lot of information that you really don't need. And like I said, the most important pieces of information is the first name, last name, birthdays if you have them, their email address, obviously their mobile phone, their cell phone, and then if you have them grouped into any specific categories. We're going to make this really simple. And we're going to cut and paste. Go ahead and select the first names. I'm going to copy. I'm going to go back to that sample list that I just showed you. I'm going to go ahead and delete John. Just do a right click, delete or clear contents. I already have the first name saved. I'm just going to copy them into the first name column. I'm going to go back and do the same thing for the last name. Copy, paste. Okay, you can see this is pretty straightforward. I've got, let's go ahead and get the cell phone next. Let's copy the cell phone into column D. Just remember column D is for cell phones. Moving right along here, I've got all my email addresses. And sometimes you may have some cell phone and some Gmail. Well, you upload what you have and then go from there. Let's go back and copy these birthdays. Column J for your customer's birthday. That could also be an anniversary year, whenever they became your client. Okay, now you see column L for group name is empty. You could upload your clients right now, not have them grouped, and then group them later in TouchPoints. But if you have them already grouped and already assigned, you can go ahead and copy. We're going to go ahead and copy them. If you're going to group your clients before you upload them into TouchPoints, you just need to make sure that the groups that they are in have been created in your TouchPoints account. For example, I've got commercial only, home only, auto, home, and life. Going back to TouchPoints, you need to create the exact groups. Spelled, capitalized, space. You got to make sure that you have that same group already built out in your TouchPoints group builder. Okay, we copied and pasted everyone into our TouchPoints sample list. At this point, you're going to just want to make sure that you save it. Go ahead and do a save as, and you may rename it Client List October. Okay. For all Mac users, you have got to make sure, if you're a Mac user, you've got to save it in a Windows, separated file. Okay. PC does not matter, but a Windows, separated, it's got to be saved in a Windows, separated. Okay. All right, we'll go ahead and hit save. You may get a notice here that, are you sure you want to continue? Yes. You either hit yes or continue. Again, go ahead and close out whatever file you are about to upload. Again, it's going to ask me if I want to save changes. Well, I already saved them, so I'm just going to hit do not save or don't save. Okay, I'm going to go back to TouchPoints. I'm going to go ahead and click on the refresh page. I'm going to go back to my upload list. Click attach file. Now, you can see I renamed my client list October. I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. Again, it'll just take a few seconds. It doesn't matter whether you have 50, 500, or 5,000. This is a very easy way to upload your database. Okay, there we go. 43 rows inserted successfully. Let's go ahead and look at them in the View Clients page. Okay, here we go. They're all in there, and you can see that they're also grouped. And the great thing about grouping your clients, you'll be able to communicate with specific groups. Obviously, you'll be able to communicate with all of them, but it enables you to filter out and communicate with a specific group It allows you to cross-sell, allows you to target your message how you see fit. All right, there we go. I hope that made sense. Go ahead and watch the video again if you have any other questions. We'll talk to you soon. Thank you.